أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we have finished the study of Jumla Fi'liya. So today we are going to start the other type. There are only two types. So that type is Jumla Ismiya. So inshallah we will be studying this today. So what is Jumla Ismiya? As you already know, Jumla Ismiya is a sentence which starts with an ism. Now, you see something on the right hand side of your screen, and I believe you have seen all these words, all this before already, and you should know what it means. Okay, so let's see if you remember. It was done right at the beginning of this course. So, Sister Nemat, what do you think? What do they mean?
The meaning?
Sister, sorry.
Are you asking for the meaning?
Yeah, tell me the meaning, please. Huwa Muslimun.
Is a Muslim.
Keep going down.
They are Muslims. You are a Muslim. You all are Muslims. I am a Muslim. We are Muslims.
Very good. Very good. So this was, taught right at the beginning, and we are going to uh, learn more about this. All these are actually sentences. Huwa Muslimun is a sentence. Similarly, hum Muslimuna, anta Muslimun, antum Muslimuna, ana Muslimun, nahnu Muslimuna. They are six sentences, and each of them is a Jumla Ismiya. That's it. You already know. So let's take this one. Huwa Muslimun. And as Sister Nemat told us, it means he is a Muslim. Okay? He is a Muslim. Okay, now, as you may remember from school, you know, if we want to label this sentence, he is a Muslim, then he is a subject, and a Muslim is a predicate. So this is how they are labeled. A Jumla Ismiya, the translation of a Jumla Ismiya is labeled in English language. But we are not very much interested in this. You already know this from school, I hope you remember. What we are interested in is the other part, the Arabic side. Huwa Muslimun. Now I'm going to introduce two new terms. Huwa, which is subject in English, is called mubtada. Mubtadaun or mubtada. And the predicate is called khabar. Khabarun or khabar in Arabic. Mubtada and khabar. Mubtadaun is the one that is used to start the Jumla Ismiya. And khabar means information. So it is some information about the mubtada. Huwa. And huwa means he, and then Muslimun word provides information about he, that he is a Muslim. So just memorize these new terms. So forget about fail, file, maf'ul. You will not find them in Jumla Ismiya. They are only in Jumla Fi'li, a pure Jumla Fi'liya, right? Yeah, generally. So for now, you focus on new terms for Jumla Ismiya. So Mubtada and Khabar. Similarly, we can draw another one. Antum Muslimuna. It means you all are Muslims. So you all is the subject. Muslims is the predicate. And on the Arabic side, Antum is Mubtada and Muslimuna is Khabar. Now we are going to draw some conclusions from this, from these two sentences. Okay, my first question, what is the status of Huwa? and antum in these two sentences? Is it rafa? Is it nasab? Is it jar? Uh, Tanjeen, what do you think? Huwa. What's the status of huwa here? Tanjeen is not responding.
Oh, sorry. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yes. Do you know the question?
Can you, sorry, I was just focusing on
Okay. The
what was the
question
question again?
is, this is a sentence. Huwa Muslimun. What is the status of huwa in this sentence?
What, Rafa? I don't know.
You don't know. Hmm?
Just Mubtada.
It is mubtada. I'm just asking about the status of huwa. Is it rafa, nasab, or jar, Tanjeen?
Sorry, I can't really answer that question because my mind is
Okay.
already occupied on like the exam that I have on
Okay.
like Tuesday
All right.
for
Try
university.
to focus here, Tanjeen. Okay. I will ask somebody else then. Brother Haidar Abbas, what do you think is the status of huwa and antum in this sentence?
Uh, Hua is Rafa and Antum is Nasib.
Antum is nasab. Okay. Thank you, Brother Haidar. What are they? Huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. What we called them in this course? That's the next question. Hafsa, what are they? Huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu.
Detached pronouns.
Detached pronouns. And do we have a separate set of rules for pronouns or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So detached pronouns always are in what status?
They are in Rafa status.
In Rafa status. Everybody, if you don't have not, learned this before, I'm telling you again now. Huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. They are detached pronouns. They are not attached to anything. They are by themselves and they are always Rafa. They are in Rafa status because they are detached. We don't look at their haraka. Dhamma, kasra, fatha, we don't look at that. Just because they are detached, they are in Rafa status. So huwa is Rafa, antum is Rafa, hum is Rafa, anta is Rafa, ana is Rafa, nahnu is Rafa. All of them are Rafa. Similarly, feminine. Hiya, hunna, anti, antunna, ana, nahnu. Similarly, dual. Huma, antuma, nahnu. They are all always Rafa. In Rafa status. So huwa is Rafa. And Muslimun, what is the status of Muslimun, Hafsa?
It is also Rafa.
How do you know it is Rafa?
From the haraka at the
Yeah,
mean.
that tanween at the end, the matain. So let's draw some conclusions from this. Mubtada is Rafa and Khabar is also Rafa. In a Jumla Fi'liya, Mubtada is Rafa and Muslim is also in Rafa status. I mean, the Khabar is also in Rafa status. So that's the first conclusion. Number two, the Mubtada is the first, generally the first marfu ism. Okay. We draw two conclusions so far. The other thing, you see, if Mubtada is singular, Khabar is singular. If Mubtada is plural, Khabar is also plural. Again, singular, singular, plural, plural, singular, singular, and plural, plural. So it means that Mubtada and Khabar, they have to match in terms of number. Singular, singular, dual, dual, plural, plural. Like that. And one more conclusion that we are going to draw is if Mubtada is masculine, then the Khabar has to be masculine as well. So it's huwa and muslimun. We cannot say huwa muslimatun. That will be wrong. So mubtada and khabar, they have to match in terms of gender as well. So how many conclusions we draw? Mubtada is marfu. Khabar is also marfu. And mubtada is the first marfu ism in the sentence. And mubtada and khabar, they match in terms of number and in terms of gender. Okay? So these are basically the rules of Jumla Ismiya. Okay. We have seen this as well before. Let me find someone. Taimiyah. Taimiyah,
Yes.
can you tell me the meaning of all these sentences here in the table?
Hiya Muslimatun. She is a Muslim. Hunna Muslimatun. They are
Muslimatun.
Muslim.
Hunna muslimatun, huh?
Hunna Muslimatun. They are a Muslim.
They are Muslims.
They are
Muslim
Muslim.
woman. Yeah.
Anti Muslimun. You are Muslim.
You're
And
not reading it right, Taimiyah.
you are Muslim.
No. Arabic side.
Oh, Anti Muslimatun.
Mm.
You are a Muslim.
Mm-hmm.
Antuna Muslimatun. You all are Muslims. Ana Muslimatun. Ana Muslimatun. I am a Muslim. Nahnu Muslimatun. We are Muslims.
And you see here, they match in gender. Hiya is a feminine and Muslimatun is feminine. So they have to match in terms of gender and match in terms of number. So, okay, I do draw one out, Taimiyah. It means she is a Muslim woman. Label it on the Arabic side. Hmm?
Here is the subject and Muslimatun is the predicate.
Okay. What do we call them in Arabic?
Um, Mubtada and
Uh-huh.
Khabar. So Mubtada is here and then Muslimatun is Khabar.
Muslimatun is khabar. Okay. In anti Muslimatun, what is mubtada? What is khabar?
Anti is Mubtada and Muslimatun is Khabar.
Muslimatun is khabar. So again, what is the status of hiya here?
Marfu.
Marfu. So it is marfu. Mubtada is marfu and khabar is also marfu. Both of them. They match in terms of number and gender. Mubtada and khabar. And mubtada is the first marfu ism generally speaking. First marfu ism in the jumla ismiya. So basically this is all. This is what a jumla ismiya is. It's very simple. So what are the general rules? We already know them now. Both mubtada and khabar are marfu. And mubtada is generally the first marfu ism. Number two, mubtada and khabar, they match in terms of gender and number. Mubtada. Now this is the third one. Mubtada, I haven't mentioned this before. Mubtada is mostly a proper noun and khabar is mostly a common noun. You see, the pronouns are always proper. So hiya, hunna, anti, antunna, ana, nahnu, they are all proper nouns. Similarly, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu are proper nouns. A pronoun is always proper. It doesn't matter if it is attached or detached. A pronoun is always proper noun. So here is a proper noun here. So therefore, most of the time you will see that mubtada is a proper noun. Now muslimatun is a common noun here. And muslimatun is also common. And that is what you will see mostly. Not all the time, but mostly. That the khabar is a common noun. So the third rule is Mubtada is mostly proper noun and the khabar is mostly a common noun. So just memorize these three for now. Both mubtada and khabar are marfu, and mubtada is generally the first marfu ism. They both match in gender and number, and mubtada is mostly a proper noun and khabar is mostly a common noun. Simple as that. So this is Jumla Ismiya. Now we will just do an exercise to firm up our concept. So as al-Muslimu Shakirun. Al-Muslimu means the Muslim. It's a proper noun with an al. Al-Muslimu, the Muslim. Shakirun. What would that mean? Shakirun. I will give you the first word and you do the TPI and give me the meaning of Shakirun. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, Brother Wahid, can I ask you to do this exercise? So I give you the first word, Brother Wahid. Shakara. Shakara means he was thankful. Can you do the TPI and read Shakirun and tell me what is the meaning of Shakirun? Start from Shakara.
Shakaro, Shakaru, Shakartu,
Shkarta.
Shakarta, Shakartum, Shakar, Shakartu,
Two. Yeah,
Shakarna.
very good. This is Bab Nasara. So Yash Kuru.
Yashkuru, Yashkuru, Yash, Yashkuru, Yashkuru,
Yashkuruna.
Yashkuruna, Yashkuru,
Tashkuru.
Tashkuru, Tashkuruna, Ashkuru,
Mhm.
Ash, Ashkuru, Nashkuru,
Very good.
La Tashkuru,
No. Ushkur.
Ushkuru, La Tashkuru,
Mhm.
Ushkuru, La Tashkuru,
Very good.
Ushkuru,
Shakirun.
Shakirun,
Yeah, you got it.
Shak,
Shakirun.
Shak,
Shakiruna.
Shakirina,
Yeah. So what is the meaning of Shakirun, you think?
the one, the one who is thankful.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you, Brother Wahid. The one who is thankful. So can you translate this then, Brother Wahid? Al-Muslimu Shakirun. The Muslim is?
The Muslim is thankful.
Very good. Perfect. Thank you, Brother Wahid. The Muslim is thankful. All right. So over here, the Muslim is subject, thankful is predicate. So al-Muslimu is mubtada, Shakirun is khabar, al-Muslimu is singular, Shakirun is singular, al-Muslimu is masculine, Shakirun is masculine. So they match in number and gender. Both are in Rafa status, and Mubtada is the first Marfu ism, and Mubtada is proper noun, and Khabar is common noun. So it meets all the rules that I mentioned on the previous slide. Now, I want to say two Muslims are thankful. How I will say that? I need to come up with the Arabic for it. So, I need help. Burak. Burak. Burak is not responding. Okay. Two Muslims are thankful. Sister Maryam Zishan, please.
Yes, sir.
So the sentence is the two Muslims are thankful. How you will say that in Arabic with the Jumla Ismiya?
Al-Muslimani
Okay.
Shakirani.
If I say Shakirun, that will be wrong?
No, sir.
That will be wrong or right?
No, sir. It will be
No,
right.
it will be wrong. Why it is wrong? What's the problem? Because Shakirun is singular, is it not?
Yeah, it doesn't match in its numbers.
Number, yeah, exactly. It doesn't match. So Asl Muslimani,
Shakirani.
Shakirani. Both are Rafa, both are dual, both are masculine, right? And the first marfu ism is proper, that is mubtada, and the khabar Shakirani is common. All right. Next one, sister. The Muslims
Yes.
are thankful. Lot of Muslims now.
Al-Muslimuna.
Mm-hmm.
Shakiruna.
Shakiruna. Very good. Thank you, sister. So I would ask somebody else now for help. Um, okay. Sister, okay, Sister Zulaikha, would you like to participate? I don't see a listener in front of your name. It doesn't look like it. Okay. Um,
Yes.
Brother sorry? Yeah,
Yes.
okay. You would like to participate? Okay. So the English sentence is, a Muslim lady is thankful. Can you translate this into Arabic, please? What's the Arabic of a Muslim lady? The Muslim lady.
مسلمات
Al-Muslimatu. Okay.
شاكرات
Shakiratun. Hmm?
Yes.
Shakiratun. So both have to be feminine. So the Muslim lady is thankful. Okay, now I want to say two Muslim ladies are thankful. How you will say that?
مسلماني شاكرين
That is for masculine. This is feminine now. How to say?
مسلمة
Hmm?
مسلم مسلماتي
No, 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 no. How to say two
مسلم
Muslim ladies?
مسلماني
No, that will be male. Two male Muslims. How to say two female Muslims?
مسلمتان
Very good. Al-Muslimatani. So what will be how the on the khabar side now?
شاكرتان
Very good. Now I want to say a lot of Muslim women are thankful. How to say that?
مسلماتي
No, not the. Mubtada is always in Rafa status.
مسلمات
Al-Muslimatu.
اوكي المسلمات شاكرتون
No, don't say tuna.
شاكرات
Shakiratun.
شاكراتي شاكرات
Shakiratun. Yeah. You can use a Muslim table, Shakiratun, Shakiratan, Shakiratin, Shakiratani, Shakirataini, Shakirataini, Shakiratun, Shakiratin, Shakiratin. So that table can also help you, but Al-Muslimatu Shakiratun. So this is just a small exercise for what we have learned. We applied the rules we already know. Okay, thank you, sister. Okay, I have a sentence displaying here. So, Brother Hamid, may I ask you for help?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Allahu Ghafurun. Do you know what it means?
Allah is Allah.
Yeah.
It is Ghafurun. It is from Ghafara.
Mm-hmm.
Allah is merciful,
Forgiving. Hmm?
forgiving.
Or we can say Allah is extremely forgiving because Ghafur has a meaning of intensity in it. So, Allah is extremely forgiving. Okay, good. How you will label this sentence, Allah and Ghafurun? What is mubtada? What is khabar?
Allah is Mubtada.
Mhm.
Ghafurun is Khabar.
Is khabar. Okay, good, very good. Now I will add another word to the sentence. Rahimun. Allahu Ghafurun Rahimun. Or we can say Allahu Ghafurur Rahimun, just for tajweed. Huh? And the meaning will be Allah is extremely forgiving, always merciful.
Let's see. Yeah.
So what is this new word now?
مبتدا خبر متعلق
No,
متعلق
no, 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 no.
خبر
You see, this is Rafa. It is common noun, right? So we can say it is khabar number 2.
oh okay.
Yeah. So there are two pieces of information about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this sentence. Allah is extremely forgiving. And other information is He is always merciful. So Allah is extremely forgiving, always merciful. This sentence tells us that there could be more than one khabar sometimes. But khabar has to be in rafa status. That is for sure. For something to be called khabar, it has to be in rafa status. And Rahim was in rafa status, so that is why we called it khabar. Okay. Brother Hamid, Allahu Basirun. What does this mean? Are you with me, Brother Hamid? No. Okay.
I am with you.
Okay, all right. So, Brother Hamid, Allahu Basirun, what does it mean?
uh, Basirun is
The one who sees all the time.
all sees all that. So yeah,
Allah
Allah
is always seeing.
is all seeing.
Yeah, Allah is always seeing or all seeing. All right,
Always
good.
seeing.
So, can you label this now?
Yeah, it's Allah Mubtada, Basirun Khabar.
Okay, now I add something to it. Bil Ibad. What is Bil Ibad made up of?
Be with
Mhm.
that is haraf, and Al Ibad that is
The slaves,
the ism, the Al Ibad,
the slaves.
the slaves.
It's a
That's
plural of
the ism.
Abd. Abd is
Yeah,
singular, Ibad is
yeah.
plural. So, what kind of fragment is this? Bil Ibadi. B plus al ibad,
Yeah,
it became bil ibad because of the joining.
yeah.
So what kind of fragment is this bil ibad?
It is
Is it mudaf mudaf ilayhi, jar majroor,
mudaf lay.
mudaf ilayhi?
Oh, no, no. It is with jar majroor.
Yeah, it is jar majroor. Yeah. So B is a jar, al
Ibad is
ibadi
majroor.
majroor. So this is jar majroor. Can we call it khabar? But the bil ibadi now?
Hmm. Allah
Because
is
it is jar
all
majroor.
seeing
So
with the slaves. You know, it's basically, yeah, it is another khabar.
but khabar has to be in rafa status.
Oh,
So we cannot call
okay.
it khabar. That will be wrong.
The roof.
So we introduce a new term for it. Muta'alliq.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because, because this third part is not rafa, we cannot technically call it khabar because already we say that khabar is in rafa status. And bil ibadi is a jar majroor. So when you see a jar majroor in a sentence, in a jumla ismiya, we call it muta'alliq. We call it muta'alliq. So it's 11 o'clock. So I will stop here and I will just revise the rules. Jumla ismiya starts with an ism. It can have three parts. Three parts as we label them with respect to terminology. The first marfu ism is called mubtada. And then the second marfu ism is called khabar. Both mubtada and khabar obviously are rafa, but they also have to match in terms of gender and number. And mubtada is generally the proper noun, and khabar is generally a common noun. And if you see a jar majroor in the jumla ismiya, it cannot be mubtada, it cannot be khabar. We call it muta'alliq. That's the third term, muta'alliq. Okay. So I will stop here, and inshallah we will build on this in the next class and learn more about Jumla Ismiya. So I will conclude our today's class at this point. Thank you for your attention.